Hello, and welcome to our channel, where we explore the beauty and benefits of nature. In this video, we will discuss the top 10 benefits of nature. So, let's get started. One of the benefits of nature is that it can boost your mood. Spending time in nature has been shown to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Being surrounded by greenery and fresh air can boost your mood and help you feel happier and more relaxed. The second benefit of nature is that it can improve your immune system. Exposure to nature can help improve your immune system by increasing your body's natural killer cells and reducing inflammation. The third benefit of nature is that it increases your creativity. Nature has been shown to boost creativity by providing a calming environment that allows your mind to wander and develop new ideas. The fourth benefit of nature is that it enhances your cognitive abilities. Being in nature has been linked to improved memory, attention, and problem-solving skills. Studies have also found that nature can help reduce symptoms of ADHD in children. The fifth benefit of nature is that it provides natural aromatherapy. The smells of nature, such as fresh and pine trees, can positively affect your mood and reduce stress levels. The sixth benefit of nature is that it promotes physical activity. Outside in nature can encourage physical activity such as hiking, biking, or walking. This can improve your overall health and reduce your risk of chronic diseases such as obesity and heart disease. Exposure to natural light during the day and darkness at night can help regulate your sleep cycle, leading to better quality sleep. The eighth benefit of nature may help to reduce blood pressure. Spending time in nature can lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of hypertension, a leading cause of heart disease. The ninth benefit of nature is that it can help boost your vitamin D levels. Sunlight can help your body produce vitamin D, essential for strong bones and a healthy immune system. The 10th benefit of nature is that it can help foster a sense of awe and wonder. Finally, nature can positively affect our mental health and well-being. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy this video on the top 10 benefits of nature.